Hi, this is Muhammad Saad Sarwar. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use Git Bash, Oracle VirtualBox, and Vagrant to use it with Ansible to provision software to different managed nodes um, on the different servers. So the first thing you can do is to download Oracle VirtualBox. So just click on download Oracle VirtualBox, and if you're Windows host, then you can use the Windows host. Yeah, just download the software, and after that just install the software as administrator, and it should look something like this without the provisioned servers, and we need to keep it up and running. um, then we will install, you should also install git if you don't have, if you already have it. You basically need git bash. For this I have already installed it, so I can just open it if I need to. And also the third thing you need is to download Vagrant. So what you will do is just click on Vagrant by HashiCorp, and then click on download here, and then depending on what kind of operating system you have and what kind of processor chip you have. I had the Intel one, so I used the i686. I downloaded it and then installed it as administrator. Once you install it, uh, it will give a prompt for a reboot. Then you'll have to reboot the computer, and once the computer is rebooted, then we'll go into the git bash, and we will just go to the server, the git bash prompt, and then we will run vagrant init to initialize the vagrant software. And once it's initialized, it will place a vagrant file there. I can show you this file. It should be here somewhere. It should be a vagrant file here. So this vagrant file contains all the configuration that we really need. It looks like this. Oops, sorry. I should get it. Vagrant file. So it has all the documentation about how to create the vagrant file. So that's what a default. Actually, this is something I have customized already. I'll show you how to customize this in a later part. So what I did was I made an extra directory here by typing vagrant test, and as you can see that that directory is visible here. So I'll just cd into it, and there's a vagrant file there too. That's the vagrant file we'll really need. In the next video I will show you how to configure this vagrant file so that it installs these two Ubuntu images onto this Oracle VirtualBox. So we'll just wait for my next video, and then I'll show you how we can install these two Linux servers on the Oracle VirtualBox. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.